All right, Paul again here with the actual 964 engine out. So now we just disconnect the starter motor. See what I mean? I'll show you guys what I mean. I usually disconnect the starter motor on when the engine is nearly out, because that way you can get to the bolt easier. So when you install the engine, put the starter motor again after, and then you go from there. All right, nothing. Everything went well. We've done everything properly. Okay, that's hold up by the extra special tool. Just put the cover back on here, and then everything will be on the diff housing. Sorry, the crankshaft housing and all that to go to the front. It's held on by the actual the car bracket there. You can use that as well. Show what I mean. There, that's your crankshaft there, held up by the actual bracket in the middle. Let's just put it back, and that's your special tool to hold it up. All right, you can just use the car parts. All right, now go up, bit more. Just double check on this side here. Up, up, all the way up. Okay, she's out now. I'm gonna do a thorough inspection on this car here. At the same time, I'm gonna do another video and just name every single part on this car. So if you are looking for that part, I can tell you where it is, where location, how many pins it's got, vacuum lines, all that. I'll do another video just on that one before I put this motor back in. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.